What's up everyone, Rad here. Today, I completely overhauled the user interface for my HHR Mobile to make the app cleaner, smoother, and way more customizable. I also added several new features that I think you guys are really going to love, including redesigned menus, improved control customization, better mobile usability, and new remote action buttons that let you access in-game menus through fully customizable native controls. The goal with this app has always been to make Helmet Heroes Reborn feel like a real mobile experience instead of just a browser game running on a phone. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that's new in the latest update. The first thing you'll probably notice is the updated controls. I gave the buttons a slightly cleaner look while still keeping the same buttery smooth responsiveness, zero noticeable latency, and built-in auto-sprint movement that people already loved from previous versions. The goal was to improve the visual feel of the app without sacrificing speed or responsiveness. For the next feature, I added a dedicated chat toggle button. On mobile, trying to hide the in-game chat box normally can be pretty frustrating because tapping the chat area usually just brings up the keyboard instead. So now, with a single tap, you can instantly hide or show the chat box without dealing with a mobile keyboard getting in the way. This gives you a much cleaner screen and a lot more visible gameplay space while playing. Take a look at that in this clip here. For the next feature, I added a full left-handed mode. This mirrors the primary control layout so left-handed players can use the app much more comfortably without awkward hand positioning or stretching across the screen. Take a look at that in this clip here. For the next feature, there is full customization of the controls. To edit your controls, click the gear icon, open Layout Profiles, and then click the pencil icon next to the default layout to edit it. You can also click the New Layout button to create a completely custom layout. From there, you can freely move buttons around the screen, resize them, and customize the layout however you want for your own playstyle. This makes the app much more flexible and lets every player create a setup that feels comfortable for them. The menu for changing the action, or resizing, can be moved around so that it is not in your way when editing the layout. You can also remove buttons by pressing Remove Element and add new buttons, or the 360-degree joystick by pressing Add Element. The 360-degree joystick works best if you remove the jump and down buttons from your layout. I also added customizable UI colors. This lets you change the color theme of the controls and interface so you can personalize the app and match whatever style you want. To change the color, simply click the gear icon, then the layout profiles, then the pencil icon next to your layout, and pick the change color option. For the next feature, I added adjustable right-side padding for curved devices. Simply press the plus or minus button seen here to increase or decrease the size. For the next feature, I added a full Gamepad mode with customizable controller mapping. You can connect Xbox or PlayStation controllers and map buttons however you want directly inside the app. This makes the game feel much more natural to play on mobile devices while giving players complete control over their setup. I also added an emote menu with support for all 4 currently available emotes, and it will be updated if more emotes are added to the game in the future. To use it, simply click the smiley icon, and then choose which emote you want to use. I also added a built-in account switcher that allows you to manage and quickly switch between multiple accounts directly inside the app without needing to constantly log in and out. Each account is stored separately on your own device, similar to using separate browser profiles on desktop, which helps keep sessions isolated and makes multi-account usage much more convenient. The app does not send your account data passwords, or personal information anywhere. Everything stays locally on your device. The entire project is also fully open source, so if you want to review exactly how the app works, you can check the GitHub link in the description and view the full source code yourself. I've also included a virus total scan in the description, so you can verify that no security companies have reported any malicious code inside the application. To use it, simply click the profile icon, then click New Profile and name it whatever you'd like. You will need to log in as you normally would once the app restarts, making sure that the Remember Me box is checked. After that, you can click the profile icon and swap between accounts as you please without needing to re-enter your information. This works as if you were logged into 2 accounts on 2 different browsers. Helmet Heroes itself keeps the login. The app just acts like it is multiple browsers in one app. I also added a full Delete My Data feature. This allows you to completely erase all account sessions, saved layouts, and app data directly from inside the application at any time. It will fully restart the application and cannot be undone. Be careful when using this. Don't worry, it does not delete anything from inside Helmet Heroes, as the app has no access to the game servers or files. For the final new feature, based on some requests from another developer's community, I also added a customizable menu button system designed specifically to make the desktop-style interface much easier to use on mobile devices. To set it up, click the hamburger menu icon at the top of the screen. Then tap on the menu button you want to configure, such as Inventory, Map, Settings, Character, or Social. After selecting the button, the app will ask you to tap the matching button directly on the in-game screen. Once you do that, the app saves the exact screen position you clicked. From that point forward, whenever you press that menu button inside the hamburger menu, it will automatically tap the saved location for you instantly. This removes the need to constantly try and press the very small menu buttons at the top right of the game, which can be difficult on mobile devices, especially during gameplay. That's going to be it for this update video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoy using the app as much as I've enjoyed building it for the community. It's honestly been a lot of fun continuing to improve the mobile experience, experiment with new ideas, and add features that people have been requesting. Over the past day especially, I've spent a huge amount of time redesigning the interface, improving usability, and trying to make the game feel more natural to play on mobile devices while still keeping everything smooth and responsive. Thank you all again for the support, and I hope you enjoy the new update.